Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. So today's recipe, what I'm going to do is tomato rice, also called tomato bath. So let's see the ingredients. So first oil, mustard seeds, curry leaves. Here I have taken 2 medium onions and 4 medium tomatoes, finely chopped. Sambar powder, chili powder and salt. Also, I have soaked in 2 cups of, I have washed 2 cups of rice and kept it aside, and we'll be using this cooker. So let's put the cooker on the stove and switch on the flame. Keeping the flame as medium. So here I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, I will be adding in the mustard seeds. See, here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. To that I'm adding 1 sprig of curry leaves. So we can see that they are spluttering. This is when I add the onion and the tomato. So we'll mix it well. We need to see that the onion and the tomato are finely chopped. They should not be like big chunks. Otherwise you will get them as a crunchy piece inside your rice when you eat. So see to it that the onions and the tomatoes are finely chopped. So just cover it and let it cook for about 5 minutes. So keep checking it in the intervals so that the onions are not burnt. Basically, the water from the tomato should separate, and the onions and the tomato should be well cooked. So now we'll reduce the flame to low and start adding the powders. So here I'm adding 5 whole teaspoons of sambar powder. And just 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. I prefer spiciness a bit less, so I'll add less. You can adjust it to your preference. Now I'm adding salt here as per your taste. Mix in well. Remember, the flame isn't low. Just cover it up and let it cook for about 2 minutes on low flame. So here you can see that the oil has separated from the mixture. This is when we know that it is done. Now we are adding in the rice. So I've taken 2 cups of rice, have added to it 4 cups of water. Slightly mix it properly. Check the rubber before covering it. And we will increase the flame here to medium. Cover the cooker along with the weight and allow it to whistle for about 3 times. Note, we are increasing the flame to medium here. So after 3 whistles, allow it to rest for about 10 minutes, and this is how we see. So the tomato rice has been done. It has really come out well. Hope you'll go ahead and try this recipe. So if you did like this video, make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon, and I will see you next time with a new recipe or a new video. Thanks for watching.